Welcome back to the ETL series. Now it's time for the heart of ETL the T, transform. In this episode, we'll use pandas to explore three parts: data cleaning, data transformation, and validation and consistency. Let's load our raw data with pandas and take a quick look. Now let's check which columns have missing values using isNA and sum. You can see that order ID and price each both have one missing record. Next, let's drop the rows where the order ID is missing using dropna. Before cleaning, we had 20 records, and after removing the missing ones, we now have 19. That means the dataset size has shrunk after cleaning. Finally, we can use isNA.sum again to double-check, and it shows 0 missing values. Next, let's remove duplicate rows using drop duplicates. After cleaning, the number of records goes down. Let's print the data frame to take a look at all the rows. Now, you can see some records where the quantity is 0 or even negative. Now, let's filter out invalid orders where the quantity is 0 or negative using the query function. After filtering, we have fewer records. Now, let's move on to part 2, data transformation. The column, like order date, look fine, but it's actually stored as an object, which means it's just text. If we try to use .dt.year to get the year, or add a time delta to change the day, it'll throw an error, because Pandas doesn't recognize it as a real date. So, we need to convert it using _datetime. After converting, we can check the data type again. It's now datetime. We can also get the year and add 3 days without any errors. Before calculating totals, let's filter the data to only keep valid orders. We'll use .loc to select rows where quantity ordered is at least 3. And then display the filtered results. Here you can see that all the quantities are at least 3. Now we'll add total price by multiplying quantity ordered and price each. You might see a setting with copier name. That's because Pandas isn't sure if we're editing the original data frame or just a copy. To fix that, we can add .copy after filtering that tells Pandas to create a new data frame safely. Now, let's try executing it again. No more error. It's time for part 3, validation and consistency. Here we check if total price really equals quantity multiplied by price each, and also confirm that no values are negative. Our data is clean and ready for the load step. And that's it for today's episode. We've completed the transform in ETL. Next time, we'll move on to the final step, load. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.